This is Jack. Hi, my name's Jack. Hey, what are you so excited about? My fans. Wait, you have fans? What do you mean you have fans? Fans that are gonna hear me sing today. Oh, that's right. Jack's gonna sing for you guys. So, are you gonna tell them what song you're gonna sing? No! Why? What, you want to surprise them? No! Then why? You tell them. Oh, you want me to tell them? Okay. So Jack's gonna sing for you guys, and the title of the song is You Are My Sunshine, right? Yes! Okay. So are you ready? You're not scared anymore? No! Okay. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna sing for them, alright? Okay. 1, 2, 3. You are my sunshine.